Namaste, yogis, and welcome to my channel. My name is Matt, and this is my wife Jody. And today we're going to be doing a quick 10-minute Yin Yoga class, a class that you can do in the morning or at the end of the day to just ease up any tension in your body and feel much better. So we're going to start right away. You're going to make a 90-degree angle with the right leg facing the front of your mat, 90-degree angle with the left leg facing the back of your mat. And then we're just going to place our hands on both sides of that right leg. Jody's going to be doing it on the other side. So we're going to take one big inhale here. Exhale. I'm going to invite you to lower yourself on your forearm. And then you're just going to reach over and above the head, stretching out the side of your body here. So we're just going to reconnect with your breath. Taking some big inhales through the nose. Big exhales through the nose. So you can bring the left arm right above your head and further away, or you can just place that left hand behind your head for support. Whatever feels good is totally fine with me here. And you can push yourself back up very slowly. And from here, I'm going to invite you to switch your legs around. So the left leg's going to make the 90-degree angle towards the front now, and the right leg will make 90-degree angle towards the back. So from here, and I'm going to move away slightly. I'm going to take one big inhale. Exhale, lower yourself on your forearm. Scoop the right arm above, and then just stretch the side of your body here. And we can slowly push ourselves all the way up. I'm going to invite you to bring the right leg around. We're just going to be going into butterfly here quickly, just wiggling your knees, just jump them around left and right. And from here, one big inhale. Exhale, walk your hands forward, find your edge, and then reconnect with your breath. And we can walk our hands back very slowly, closing our knees and then turning, facing our yoga mat and going all the way down onto Sphinx pose. So you want to have your elbows in line with your shoulders here, legs long and flat behind yourself. And from here, if you want, you can bring your chin to the chest just to deepen the stretch in your neck, upper back, all the way down to the bottom of your spine. If you find the intensity to be too much, you can bring your hands a little more forward, just moving your elbows so they're not directly underneath your shoulders, and that should lessen the intensity you're feeling. So depending on your level of tightness, you can play around with that. And from here, we can slowly lower ourselves down, placing our hands in line with our shoulders, and then pushing ourselves back up onto our knees, and then bringing the knees to the middle of your mat. Tucking your toes, we're going to push ourselves up. And then from here, with a slight bend in your knees, you're just going to grab your elbows and allow gravity to pull you down. Should feel a nice stretch in your hamstring, nice stretch in your spine. And from here, we can place our hands back on the floor, lowering ourselves down back onto the seated position. So you can place your legs kind of comfortably one in front of the other here. And then we're just gonna sit up straight. Take one big inhale. Exhale, bring the left hand to the exterior edge of the right knee and then twisting our spine, looking back. Just a nice stretch for your spine here. And we can slowly release back to center. Big inhale. Exhale, right hand to the exterior edge of the left knee. And then we're going to twist and look back. Reconnecting with your breath here. Calming the mind. Releasing the tension in your body. And we can release and come back to the center. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick 10-minute Yin Yoga class. It was my pleasure and Jody's pleasure to be with you guys. So until next time, hands at the middle, together, Namaste. Bye guys.